Namaste, Hariom. There are several people who often ask me, Acharya ji, please share your, like you have really long and healthy hair, and please share some, please guide us how to have long and healthy hair because we are facing a lot of hair fall. Unfortunately, yes, women also face hair fall, but if we look at it scientifically, it has been proved that men have more tendency of baldness as compared to women, and that's the reason that more of the men opt for hair transplant rather than as compared to women. But generally we criticize a lot of things around us, that food we're getting is not good, water where we live is not good, and that's why it has happened. No, there, if there is a problem, there is a solution. Definitely your circumstances around you and different, there might be different reasons behind it, but that doesn't mean that if there is a problem there is no solution. Having long hair, having healthy hair is not a rocket science. You can have it simply. I will share what I do for my hair health, and I don't care too much about my hair, but just that I live a yogic lifestyle, and I think that's the most important thing, which helps me in maintaining my hair health. First thing is I practice yoga abhyas every single day, and I will share that link at the description box. You must also start practicing it every single day. It has become a fad these days, a fashion that if you have hair fall, go straight away practice Shirshasana, headstand. Don't ever do that without any expert guidance because that can harm you. I've seen so many people opting for it themselves. They take support of the wall. They just start doing a headstand without doing the prior practices and the prior preparations, which affects immensely not only their hair but also their brain, and other health related problems are also there. So this schedule is a specific schedule which is made specifically for hair care and for hair health, because we need to understand that maybe you do a lot of physical activity, you go to gym, you do a lot of other activities, you do running, and you feel that your blood circulation is far better than others, but still we need some specific practices to get the energy and blood towards your head, because due to the gravitational force it is most of the time downwards. Hence we do need to do some forward bendings, backward bendings, some inverted poses, but not straight away Shirshasana. Gradually we will go to Shirshasana also, but make sure that you do these practices religiously so that you can have beautiful and healthy hair. Second is, I don't eat any kind of non-vegetarian food. This is very, very unfortunate that there is a huge cartel and some reason behind all this, that people are being convinced that if you want to stay healthy, you need to eat non-vegetarian food. No. Rather, if you eat so much of non-vegetarian food, that is going to deposit so many toxins in your body that it reflects on your hair and your skin. So no doubt you eat proteins. I also take proteins. I eat paneer, I eat broccoli, I eat 2 bowls of dals every single day. I eat sprouts, and there are so many other ways, because all the vegetarians being whom you are eating, they are also taking their proteins from Mother Nature. So you can also directly take proteins from Mother Nature. So eat proteins, but happy proteins, not painful, fearful, violent proteins. But make sure that you drink a lot of water. I keep myself hydrated and I drink a lot of water to detoxify myself. Then I always keep my mind relaxed through Yoga Nidra. I could have said take ample sleep, but I would say take sound sleep, because quantity of sleep is not important, but quality of sleep is important. And if you are sleeping for 8 hours but you are not feeling relaxed, then it is of no use. So make sure that when you sleep you practice Yoga Nidra. I will share the link at the description, and every night listen to this Yoga Nidra. This is going to help really, it is going to do wonders for your hair health. I take massage twice a day, twice a week, not twice a day, twice a week. You can take it from coconut oil, or in winters you can opt for olive oil. Just simple massage on my hair, and I apply Kesh Lab, which means face packs, twice a week. And I will be sharing. Don't go for any chemical based Kesh Lab, chemical based hair pack. You can make your own hair pack at home very easily. So I will be sharing the link at the description how to make these hair packs. You can make it with curd and other things. So I will be sharing the link with you. So these are some very simple ways through which you can, and I spend a lot of time with Mother Nature, because nature is beautiful, that makes you beautiful. These simple ways you can apply to have healthy and beautiful and long hair, and to keep your hair healthy. If you have any other question, any query, do write to us. Send us your selfie video with your question at our Instagram, Acharya Pratishtha Ji. Watch Bharat Yoga English for English videos and Bharat Yoga for Hindi videos. Stay tuned. Blessings for all of you.